Good morning, friends. Once again, let us see chapter number 4. In this video, we are going to take that illustrations. Okay, in the same chapter, if you have seen that videos regularly, we have completed few illustrations starting from very first to I think so 4.5. Clear? Now we will move further and mind well. These numericals are very easy to write, very easy to remember. Why? Because this Sunday you are going to appear to give a test in physics. Clear? So, for that, let us start illustrations. Okay? Illustration number 4.6 is not so important. And then after we are going straight away to that example number 4.5, illustration number 4.7. Okay, what is given? Consider a tightly wounded 100 tons coils. There is given a coil, so it is illustration number 4.7, and there is given a one coil. It consists of how many tons? N is equal to 100 tons. Okay. Now, see, the analysis is very important. Whenever you are calculating the examples, what is given, and if you know the equation, it is very easy to solve straight away. Direct put the values and you will get the answer. Okay. See, then it carries a current of 1 ampere. So electric current I is equal to 1 ampere. Okay. What is the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of a coil? So we have to find B, where we have to find at center. We have to find. Okay. For that, we have to use equation of magnetic field, which we have obtained by using that Biot-Savart law. What was that equation? B is equal to mu 0 n I upon 2r. What is r? R is the radius. It is given. Okay. Yes, it is given. R is equal to 10 centimeter. So R is equal to 10 centimeter. Convert it into meter. So 10 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2 meter. And it is nothing but 10 raised to minus 1 meter. See, very easy. Analysis is clear. You know the equation of B, mu 0 Ni upon 2R for magnetic field at the center of a coil. Now, simple, very easy. Place the values and find the answer. What is mu 0? Mu 0 is constant and it having value 4 pi multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7. And number of tons, it is there. See, 100. 100 tons means 10 raised to 2 multiplied by I. What is I? Electric current. It is 1 ampere. Right? Upon 2 multiplied by R. What is R? 10 raised to minus 1. Is it okay? Simple thing is there. So, very nice calculation. 2 to the 4. So, it is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 plus 2. That is minus how much? 5. Take this term outside. So, it is plus 1. Okay. There is a value of pi multiplied by 3.14. So 2 multiplied by 3.14, that is 6.28. multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4. As it is a magnetic field, so it having unit T. T बोले तो Tesla. Got it? So this is the answer. Isn't it? It is very easy. See for 3 or 4 seconds. Okay, now let us see illustration number 4.9. It is not so important. Why? Because there are word problems. Few word problems are there that we don't have to do, because in board exam there is a very lesser than less chances of that word problems. Now let us see illustration number 4.9. What is given in 4.9? Take your textbook and try to read it. You have to write the analysis. Okay. So what is given in 4.9? A solenoid of length means there is a solenoid, right? So straight away you have to write the equation of solenoid. What was it? B is equal to mu 0 small n I. What is n? N is nothing but number of turns per unit length, right? That is, n is nothing but it is number density and it is number of turns per unit length. So we have equation mu 0 ni by L. Got it? And that solenoid having a length L is equal to how much? 0.5 meter. That is 0.5 meter. Okay, and is made up of 500 tons. Oh, number of tons are given, it is 500. So n number of tons are 500. Then it carries electric current of 5 ampere. Oh, very good. So electric current I is equal to 5 ampere. So see that all the values are here. So obviously what we have to find? Magnetic field B we have to find. Okay, put the values. What is the value of mu 0? 4 pi multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 multiplied by n number of turns. It is 500. So you can write 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 turns. Got it? So it is very easy for calculation. Okay. So 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 multiplied by I. What is I? 5 upon length. How much length? Length is given 0.5 meter. Means you can write 5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 1 meter. So it is 5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 1. So obviously 5 will cancel out. So what you will get? 4 pi means 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 plus 2, take minus 1 upside, so it is plus 1, right? Take calculator, do the calculation, and you will get the answer. What is the answer? It is 6.28 multiplied by 10 raised to 6.28 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5 or minus 3? Minus 3. As it is a magnetic field, it having unit T. T for Tesla. See how easy it is. Got it? Let us take a short look. Okay? Now, let us see illustration number 4.10. Again, I am telling you, in every numericals, analysis is much more important. Why I am repeating this sentence? Because most of the students are facing problems during their solution, during their calculation of that numericals. So, if you know the equation, if you know how to do the analysis of that question, and then simple place value find answer. It is very easy. See. Now, let us see illustration number 4.10. Now, you have to read from your textbook and I will write whatever it is given. Okay. So, by this way, you may familiar to do the analysis. What is given? Read. Okay. I think so. Horizontal component of Earth is given. Means horizontal component of Earth B H means magnetic field of horizontal component is given and it is nothing but 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5, that is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. There is a wire and that wire carrying electric current I is equal to how much? 1 ampere. Okay, now what to do? First, there are two cases. First case is this. That means this magnetic field is along which direction? South to north. The magnetic field is along south to north. And what about electric current? Electric current is about east to west. So, north south like this, north south and east west like this. So, we will have here angle. What is the angle? It is nothing but 90 degree. क्या use थશે? That we will see afterwards. What is asked? You have to find the force, magnetic force. So for that, let us say F is equal to I L cross B. This is the equation. So there is a vector product. So let us take I L B sine theta. So here theta comes. So we know that theta is equal to 90 degree and you know that sine 90 value 1. But check the answer, check the question carefully. Force is not asked. What is given? What is asked? Force per unit length you have to find. So you will have, take L on this side. So you will have only I dot B. So what is I? I is nothing but, it is here. Oh, simple. It is 1 multiplied by B. What is B? 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5. So simple. 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5. As it is force per unit length. So force means Newton, per unit length meter. Take upside. So it is Newton meter minus 1. See How easy it is. Now, there is one more part. Which part? Let us see. In B part, electric current is also along north to south. Got it? So, like this, magnetic field also north to south, and electric current is also from north to south. So it is south direction and it is north direction. So obviously you will see that here there is no angle. No angle means theta is equal to 0, and you know that sine 0 value 0. So we will have equation F is equal to B L I sine theta. But theta is equal to 0 and sine 0 value 0. So if you want to find force per unit length, right? So its value is also 0. 0 Newton meter minus 1. Is it? Let us say. Got it? Now let us say last illustration. Illustration number 4.11. Last but not the least, mind well. It is very nice numerical, and I think so it may ask in your next exam. Maybe in unit test or everywhere. We have to prepare for it. Clear? Let us see. We have to check that equation and what is given in that textbook. See, it is there on uh, page number 150. So much long question is there. Na puchai? Puchai. Don't worry, okay? Example number 4.11. Again, I am reading. A 100-ton closely wound circular coil of radius 10 centimeter. Means what is given? Coil is given. That coil consists of 100 tons. N is equal to 100 means 10 raised to 2 tons. Okay. And it having radius 10 centimeter means R is given 10 centimeter. So it is 10 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So it is 10 raised to minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 meter. Okay. It carries electric current of 3.2 ampere. So I, electric current is 3.2 ampere. What to find? First, that is there are number of parts. From that, let us take part number A. What to find? So we have to find what is the field at the center of the coil. Again, same thing. B. You have to find at the center, that is mu 0 Ni upon upon 2R. Okay. See. Now all these things are here. Mu 0, that is the constant value. What is that? That is 4 pi multiply by 10 raised to minus 7 multiply by n, number of turns, 10 raised to 2, I value. It is here. That is 3.2 ampere upon 2 multiply by R. What is R? It is here. That is 10 raised to minus 1. Okay. Now you might have that calculator. Do that calculation. We will get what we will get. So it is cancel out. What remain? 2 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 3.2 multiply by 10 raised to minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. Take upside, that is plus 1, and by doing this calculation you will get 2 multiply by 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. Easy. Okay. Now see section number B. What is given? Let us say. So in that question, if you will read, you have to find that magnetic moment. Okay. So you know that what is magnetic moment? M is equal to IA. What is I? Electric current. But here number of turns are given. So M is equal to N I A. Okay. As there is a coil, this coil having area A is equal to pi r square. So N as it is, I as it is, pi constant r square. All these values are here. Put the values and find the answers. So you will get, okay, that is 10 ampere meter square. See, all these numerical you must have to write in your assignment, in your homework. I will check the homework, and if you have written directly this step, that PDF file will be sent back to your homework group, and you must have to write these steps once again, and then you have to resubmit it. Clear? Have a look for a few minutes. Okay, now let us see third point. That means C point. What to find? In that, you have to find torque. What is torque? Torque is equal to M cross B. Okay, what is M? M is equal to I multiply by A. Okay, but if number of turns are given, then you have to write NIA. There is a cross product, so B here there is a sin theta. Simple. Theta is given in that question. Check it out. There is theta, okay, and that theta value is 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree, and we know that sin 90 value 1. What is this? NIAB is nothing but M. M is equal to IA, or see, you have to remember this equation. In this example it is not used, right? એ આપણે use નહીં થતું પણ એ આપણે યાદ રાખીશું. Okay, so tau is equal to m cross b directly, or you can write m b sin theta sin theta sin 90 sin 91. So it is m b, right? Check it out. We have obtained the value of m. It was 10 multiplied by b, that is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. So it is nothing but 2 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2. As it is a torque, it is Newton into meter. Okay. Now, last section is too much important. Why? Because it will be difficult, not difficult. It will be easy for math student, but few things that bio students must have to remember. Okay, check it out. What is there? Few equations are given in our textbook, which is direct. But if you have learned properly in 11th standard, it is very easy for you. Let us see. Just I am giving you a hint, and if you want to solve it by yourself, you can. Okay, so there are two equations. From where it comes, that I don't know, but you must have to know. Okay, that is D. What is the equation of torque? Torque is equal to mb sine theta. Just now we have seen. Okay, one more equation we have learned in 11th standard. Torque is equal to I multiplied by omega. What is I? I is nothing but moment of inertia. What is omega? Sir, કંઈક ગપ્પુ લાગે છે હા ને? Sure? Yes. I alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is nothing but angular acceleration. And what is angular acceleration? Is nothing but I multiplied by d omega by dt. Okay, so compare these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. You will get what we are getting. See, that is I multiplied by d omega by dt is equal to mb sine theta. Now, math students are knowing that there is a splitting of that derivative term. But biology students, you must have remember like this. Okay, so it is I. What is I? Moment of inertia, multiplied by d omega by d theta multiplied by d theta by dt. See what we have kept, d omega by dt, d omega by dt here, but there is a term d omega by d theta, same d theta will be here, so there is a splitting of derivative term. Okay, is equal to rest of the things as it is mb sine theta. What is d theta by dt? It is nothing but omega. So I multiply by d omega multiply by omega is equal to mb sine theta. Take d theta on this side. So it is d theta. This equation is given in our textbook directly. Now, let us take its integration. So I term is constant, integration omega multiplied by d omega is equal to m constant, b constant, integration of that sine theta multiplied by d theta. And the angle is changing from 0 to 90. So you have to take that integration from 0 to 90. Okay, answer of this, bio students, no. Let us see. Right here, you have to apply a rule. Integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So here, what is n? N is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Instead of x, omega. So omega raised to 2 divided by 2. So the answer is I multiply by omega square by 2 is equal to mb. As it is, what is the integration of sine theta? Integration of sine theta is minus cos, right? So it is minus cos theta, take the limit 90 and it is 0. Take minus sign common, so it is minus mb, right? It is cos 90 minus cos 0, and you know that cos 90 value is 0, right? So it is minus mb, it is 0 minus, what is value of cos 0? 1. So take minus 1 outside, so it is minus mb, right? I multiply by omega square by 2. And in this case, that means in D section, you have to find the omega. So make subject omega. Omega square is equal to 2 આમ જશે અહીંયા minus minus sir plus થઈ ગયો. Okay, that is 2 mb by I. Take square on this side, so it will be under root. Okay, in previous sections, that is a, b and c, we have obtained m, b and I. Place the values, find the answer, right? From next video, we will see the exercise numericals. Few of the numericals you will get as a revision in that revision video by Jay sir. Okay, he will teach you few numericals, and few numericals we will complete in next video. Okay, thank you, enjoy, have a nice day.